Alright, so now we're going to put some rooms in here. So rooms in Revit are basically containers. And what they do is they seek out room bounding objects and create sort of an area for that. So for example, if I pick this wall, you'll see that it is room bounding, so that means rooms will stop there. So I'm just going to go ahead and place a room and then we'll talk about that a little bit. So if I go to the Architecture tab, you'll see a Room and Area panel, and I'm going to click on Room. If I hover over this room right here, I can come in and you can see it flips between different room bounding areas. So I'm just going to come in here and left click. And it's going to place that room. It's done two things actually. It's placed a room, which if I pick the room itself, you'll see all of the parameters that are available for that room. And it's also tagged that room. So if I click on the tag, you get a much more limited parameter set. So let's do that again. So I'm going to go to Architecture, Room. And you can kind of explore the Options tag up here, how it's working. But you can see that this tag on placement is current. It's also highlighting the room that I placed already. So I could come down here and place another room. And then modify to stop that. Now I'm going to go ahead and rename these rooms. So if I click on room tag here and just name this one Master Bedroom and change the number to 6 and then select the room. So just emphasizing there's a room tag selection and then a room selection. You'll see that it's updated the number here. I could come in and in this particular case down here pick the room and change the name here to Closet, or maybe M Closet, and then maybe that would be number 6A, right? So just going in and realizing that there are containers, which is actually the room entity, and then there are tags that are actually reading the parameters that you choose through a label, so you should be familiar with labels from our work with title blocks, and then placing that information in here. So for example, if I pick this tag and I go to the pull down here, I can say room tag with area. Now it's reading the area right from that and placing it on the tag, as opposed to if I pick the tag again, flip it to room tag, it pulls that area off and just gives me the name and number. Alright, so when we get back, we're going to place the master bathroom and then also the living room.